Hi fam. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made a very delicious pot of chicken, spinach and cream all combined all together, and I'm going to be using simple ingredients which can be available to each and every one of us. Yes, this sauce is good for those who want to lose weight. Yes, so I'm going to give this meal 10 out of 10, and if you're there, don't hesitate to try it out. Thank you everyone who has taken their time to subscribe, to like, and also to comment on my videos. Those who are recommending me, I really appreciate. Yes, I'm going to start by marinating my breast chicken. I'm going to use olive oil, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, black pepper, 1 small spoon, 1 small spoon of ginger, 1 small spoon of garlic powder, and rosemary, just little rosemary, plus vinegar. Vinegar helps in tendening. Yes, then after you mix very well, we are going to leave marinating our breast chicken. I'm going to start on preparing the spinach. It's fresh. I'm going to use fresh spinach. Yes. I have cleaned my spinach very well, though I have not showed it in the video, but you make sure that you clean it very well. Then you start to cut, not too small and not too big sizes. Yes, as you can see in the video. After cutting the spinach, now I'm going to roast my breasts. I'm using an electric griller. Yes, as you can see. It's already marinated very well. All the ingredients are inside. Meanwhile, I'm going to be also preparing the tangira to start frying the spinach. I have put little oil plus the butter. After spinach getting ready, we are going to add our cream. I'm using Master Chef. Then let's add our chicken pieces, chicken breasts. So now you can see the results of our sauce, that is chicken breasts, spinach, and cooking cream. If you are there and you want to try this recipe, please do. It's so delicious, very, very delicious. I'm giving it 10 out of 10. You need to try it out. Yes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a like. I love those likes. Please watch the videos up to the end, and also don't forget to comment. It's just a request from you. I'm going to be serving it with the white rice. Thank you for watching.